Hello and welcome to Denslet, a channel for intelligent and curious people like you who are searching for human sexuality in the age of artificial intelligence. And in this channel, we usually try to find the best possible answer to a question. And today's question is how to mitigate risks, security risks in cloud storage for human and robot partners. Okay. In my previous video, I talked about the overall mechanism of cloud storage and also what are the security concerns, that means security challenges for keeping data in cloud storage for human and robots, right? So and we have seen that there are some serious challenges are there for keeping data in cloud storage for human and robots. Now in this video I will talk about how to mitigate those risks, what steps we can take to so that the data in cloud storage could be safe. Okay, so first of all, before we proceed, let me tell you one thing. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. And if you have already subscribed, tons of thanks because it gives me a lot of strength, your support. And finally, although I talk about human sexuality, sexual behaviors, amazing psychological facts about human sexuality, but even some in some cases sex robots, but there are no any kind of vulgarity in this channel, and I don't promote any kind of vulgarity through this channel. All I talk about scientific data, especially technology. Okay, so let's start. First of all, encryption. That is the number one, because employing strong encryption algorithm, that is I can just try to remember the name. Yes, AES 256. It is the one of the strongest encryption algorithms. I'll talk about this AES 256 for in my next video. Of course, don't worry. It is very good for protecting data both at rest and in transit. That means if you are using in your home, or you take your robot for a vacation, or something like that, it doesn't matter. This algorithm protects and encrypt all the data. Okay, next is virtual private networks, or VPNs. You may have heard about VPNs. Use VPNs to establish secure encrypted connections between the robot and the cloud. Number three is access controls. Implement granular access controls to limit who can access and modify data. That means make it sure that only you can access your robot. Make it sure you can only you can access your robot, no one else. So access control is very important and key feature. Number four is regular security audits. Yes, it's very important. Conduct regular security assessments to identify and address vulnerabilities. You can talk to your robot manufacturer. They will send the ethical hackers, red team or blue team or something like that, and they will take every precautions and take the give you the and take the security audits. So you are always in the safe zone. Number five is incident response plan. That means develop a comprehensive incident response plan to handle security breaches effectively. That means if something happens, that means if your data is breached or stolen or something like that, what you can do. So therefore, incident response plan is very important. Okay. Finally, cloud provider selection, because you know not that every cloud provider is same, so you have to be choosy about it. Choose a reputable cloud provider with a very strong security track record and compliance with relevant regulations. That means GDPR or CCPA. You must talk to your robot manufacturer for the cloud provider selection. What kind of cloud provider should be suitable for my robots, because I want to use this robot for this and that purposes. That means if you want to use it for physical event purpose, it's no problem. There is no problem in that, but you need to be very choosy about. And additional considerations for human robots is real-time requirements. That means cloud latency might be a concern for tasks requiring real-time responses. Consider edge computing to process data locally when necessary. And physical security, the robot's physical security can impact data security. That means you must protect your robot from unauthorized access and tampering. That means it again comes to the access controls. That is, you must implement granular access controls to limit who can access and modify data. And I again repeat that you should be the only person who can who can modify or use that robot. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Stay safe and take care.